Hen and her cute chicks. Kids' moral story. It's a beautiful morning on the farm. The sun is shining and birds are singing in the trees. A small red hen named Munni is sitting on her eggs. Her face is glowing with happiness. Today, her chicks are about to hatch. Cheep, cheep, crack, crack. One by one, the eggs begin to crack and tiny yellow chicks come out. Munni smiles lovingly and says, "My dear babies, you are all so beautiful." Munni takes her chicks out into the open field. The little ones try to walk in a line. Sometimes they fall, sometimes they get up again. One chick trips in the middle and everyone starts laughing. Munni says gently, "Falling isn't bad, my dear. What matters is learning to get up again." The chicks start learning how to peck at seeds and greens. One of them accidentally pecks at a small stone and they all burst into laughter. Suddenly, dark clouds gather and heavy rain starts pouring. The chicks get scared and start running around. Munni quickly spreads her wings and covers them protectively. The sound of raindrops and flashes of lightning make everything a little frightening. Munni says softly, "Don't be afraid, my babies. I'm here. A mother's love will always keep you safe." The rain stops and a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky. All the chicks start dancing with joy. Munni smiles and says, "See, when hard times end, happiness always follows." The chicks play in the soft mud and splash water everywhere. One little chick says, "Mom, I want the rainbow." Everyone laughs together. Evening arrives. The chicks gather close around Munni and fall asleep. Munni hums a gentle lullaby. Those who stay together are never alone. Always care for your friends and family. True happiness lies in love, kindness, and unity.